We often forget that some of the greatest experiences in travel come from simply stepping into the natural world. Every journey reveals places that remind us how remarkable our planet truly is. Across the globe, each environment carries its own character. Ice-shaped coastlines. Forests breathe with endless life. Deserts shift in quiet rhythm. These landscapes help us understand how varied and resilient Earth systems can be. Wildlife encounters often become the most memorable parts of travel. Every species demonstrates a different way of living and adapting, and together they reveal the importance of protecting the habitats they depend on. Seeing nature up close changes the way we understand it. Travel gives us the chance to study natural processes directly, whether it is a glacier breaking into the sea or the layered structure of a forest. Even the smallest details can teach us something. A pool of water can hold an entire community of life. A single patch of vegetation can reveal how nutrients cycle through an ecosystem. Certain places around the world highlight the diversity and complexity of nature. These regions also show how research, conservation efforts, and responsible travel work together to support delicate ecosystems. Nature offers endless opportunities for learning, reflection, and connection. We are grateful for the chance to experience these wonders and to help ensure they remain protected for years to come.